So imagine somebody through your heart, your arteries, everything is flowing. No problem. But if you got sickle cell, they're pointing at the end. They're not smooth and round, so they're pointed. But it's jagged and it's just that's I can imagine. Just flowing through your veins and you just like, I'm in pain. Maybe in crisis, having sickle cell crisis and stuff.
Cause what you just telling me that I didn't even know that, like how you just broke it down to me, the blood is like that.
So
I didn't
it's
even know
flowing.
that.
So your blood just flowing. We don't even think about it. Our blood just flowing.
Right.
It is just flowing through our veins. And then so if you got sickle cell, it's flowing, but it's sticking. It's sticking the person. And that's why they be in pain. They be hurting. And and then sometimes if they get too bad, sickle too much, then they end up in the emergency room. They like, I'm in so much pain.
Yeah, but that's
because my country has been spoiled. Jamaicans no longer even recognize silver and bronze medal. They want winners and winners only. Sherika Jackson showed the US she's the best.
someone that has set the bar high. There's a lot more pressure.
Jackson cruising in lane 2. Jamaica was expecting me to win a gold medal. I think she's just conserving energy. But I was super nervous. I made a silly mistake. And if Jackson will hurry up, she's going to get nicked on the outside. Ooh, I'll tell you what, Sharika Jackson was playing that red.
Hey guys, I want to thank you so much for checking out my video. Hopefully it is helping you. If it is, I would love for you to put AV down in the comments. That means added value, that added just a little bit more value to what you already know. I also, again, want to thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are new to my channel, my name is AKiyia'a. I am now doing, like I said, it's some interlocking her hair, just doing some lock maintenance, and just wanted to share with you guys. And one thing I also want to let you guys know, I like to do my interlocking with a safety pin. Yes, a safety pin. I know a lot of people be like, what, a safety pin? Yes, I have tried so many different interlocking tools, so many. And when I say I always go back to this one, I learned this one from Damian Waters. If you used to follow him a long time ago, he is a lock guru, used to do excellent locks, and I, again, learned this from him. And when I say I love it, I love it. Just wanted to chime in real quick and let you guys know, try it. I know you'll like it too. Hopefully this video helped you. If you would like for me to do your hair, I would love to do your hair. I am located in the Dallas, Georgia area. I will put all my information in the video description box. If you haven't already, if you will go ahead, take time and press that subscribe and like button. I would truly, truly appreciate it. Again, continue to watch, and I thank you again for watching. And thank you again, guys. Just continue to watch. All right.
Having a persona in this sport, it helps with the reality of just what you know you have to go through and what you have to deal with. It's constantly directing that energy.
Man, it's a circuit I've been developing over the last 20 years of my coaching that helps him get ready to have a stronger arm swing. Jesus.
My coach, when he was on the scene, he was just a force to be reckoned with. And I feel like that's something that he brings into his group. He was just
To know your game's thrown off. Like, for instance, the guys from the US, they'll come up and be like, USA! I've been talking about this season, man. What happened? I know that I should have been over that 988.